41 years of age, a proud mom and a wife, and she was born on June 1, 1994. In
Iba-ibang kulay ng kanilang mukha, pero dalawa ang kulay na ganito.
She finished her Bachelor of Science in Darcy at Cotabato Medical Foundation College in Edmonton at year 2009. And she was also a proud Philippine Minister of Arts.
Sorry.
She came to Cyprus last 2019 to a struggle to become this state by, but those experiences mold her to be more better than a person. She was just quite simple, kind, and loving person. Her hobbies are singing, dancing, acting, and hosting. She also told me that no matter how hard life is, we should always keep going. These thoughts give her a lot of motivation to face all the challenges in her life, faith, hope, and to the love of God. With that, I'm wearing a golden yellow gown and its combination that exudes the brilliance and grandeur of activity and brightly and share with every moment, and it's a boldly graceful silhouette and lace. Her gown symbolizing confidence, dedication, and gratitude.